Hello everyone, my name is Sue. Today I want to show you my bird. This is a gift from my mom. Isn't it beautiful? I have another one. Yeah, instead of planting more succulent, I chose to put the bird there. The color gives a new look around here. This is Sahara, Echeveria Sahara. I think maybe behind these small boulders I got from my garden, and like this. Oh, looks great, looks great. And I made this cutting, of course, Echeveria Sahara, but came with babies. So I decided to let them be together. Maybe here. Maybe here, yes. Hopefully this baby attached to the mama can survive. I'll just leave it here like this. Yeah. I don't want to separate them. Just in case. I want them to survive. So I made this cutting. Look at this. Beautiful, right? Look all this. Yeah. So it's gonna go here. Just like this. Looks much better. Now I can see where my kiwi aeonium is, because just with these two, they're almost invisible, right? Small boulder here. Yeah, good. And now I think I have to cut this one, this aeonium, and another one, that one. Why I want to cut or trim this aeonium? Because look, I have my moonstone here stuck under my aeonium, and my Paraguayense too. So I want to help. Yeah, before it gets too big. Yeah, right here. Look at this. So big. They won't stop growing. What can I do, right? And this one too. Now my aeonium got a little smaller, and my moonstone and my Paraguayense can see the sunlight, because my Paraguayense was crushed by the aeonium. Look, it's like curve, right? That's not the look I want. You know, here's the lamp. That one is coming slowly toward my lamp. So I'm gonna eliminate it. Yeah, so this is a very simple one. Look how big is this one. So it's done. My lamp is free completely for now because these aeoniums never stop growing. So this one is out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna continue tomorrow planting new aeoniums and succulents all around here and make it look really, really pretty. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful